here at Lake Michigan, and not only are the waves coming up over the seawall, as you can see, well, here comes a big one. Oh, shit. Wow. Oh, my God. That's a lot bigger than it looks on the video. Anyway, they're also coming up over the bike path. You see some rocks there. Are they washing up over the street over there? Wow. I saw one break right over the bike path. Oh, here we go. Very dangerous to be near Lake Michigan today. I'm going to wait and try to see if I can get one more giant wave. It seems to come about every 2 to 5 minutes. The real big ones. I don't know if you can see that spray blowing up the break wall. There comes a giant wave. Look at it go down there. Oh my God. Let's see if I can get closer to that area.